appeared here. So that is another remarkable app to manage uh, some tasks, some reminders, manage some important notes. So I personally use, this is my personal image, and I personally use this very much, and it has some color coding. My passwords are saved in it. It has so much my personal data is saved here. So you can use it uh, to communicate with each other as well. How? I will just tell you. So what you can do, you can just take a note, give some title. Okay, again I just write demo. Okay, class at 9. So I just created a Google Keep note, and the power of Google Keep is I can choose whether to remind me about this task. Okay, so later today I can set a time, so the mobile will remind me, and I can also add collaborator here, which can edit simultaneously. Like in this form, I have shared with three people, and they can edit and simultaneously see. So I have created a expense sheet here. So one person can think about, okay, that is correct. I just put the data here. So it will be very easier to manage the data from Google Keep as well. I also use this software with my project students. So like this is a project students, and it is shared with all. Anyone can edit it, and whenever I we completed some work, you can just hit this, and it will show, okay, two completed item. So I'm just showing here. So it is very powerful. Now next option is change color. You can change, give some specific colors, because whenever when there are so many forms, that is very difficult to read one by one. You just give a color code, so that will be easier to remember. And you can also add image there. You can put it in the archive mode. If you hit archive, it will go to some different folder. And next is you can add some label. You can also add drawing here, which personally I like very much. So this all will be saved in this Google Keep, and you can, the other participant can also see that. So let me give you some example like this. So this is a note which in which I have explained. You can say I have taken some classes of 9th, 10th student, and all the data is saved there. So they can also see that simultaneously. So this is very powerful. But the thing is, it is not easier to write with mouse. So a tablet is very much required, or you can also write by using your. What else? Yeah. So you can also copy it to your Google Docs. Now about edit labels. When you create new labels, so it's just a customization option. Let's say I want to just write version 1. When I hit version 1, there is a subfolder. I categorized it. I can create new nodes here. This is just a customization. Nothing else. Okay. So I guess this was all about Google Key.